Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a medium house in Brookhaven. First, launch the game and navigate to the house selection interface. You will see various house sizes and styles. Look for the options categorized as medium to find suitable properties. Once you've found a house you like, simply click on it to select it. Confirm your choice, and your new medium house will appear on an available plot. Enjoy customizing your new home. Now that you have your medium house, it's time to make it your own. Step inside and open the decoration menu. You can easily change wall colors, floor textures, and even the exterior appearance. Explore the extensive catalog to add furniture, appliances, and decorative items. There are thousands of options to personalize every room. Remember to save your progress frequently so your unique design is always preserved. Your medium house in Brookhaven often comes with exciting interactive features. Check for working lights, functional doors, and even hidden areas. Many houses include security systems, allowing you to lock doors and set alarms to protect your property. Invite your friends over to show off your decorating skills and enjoy role-playing together. Some houses even have secret rooms or passages for extra fun and exploration. Managing your house in Brookhaven is straightforward. If you ever want a different medium house, simply open the house selection menu again and choose a new one. Don't hesitate to experiment with various styles to find your perfect fit. If you wish to clear all decorations and start fresh, use the house reset option. For even more unique designs and features, consider exploring the premium house selections available in the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.